Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment, located in Plainfield, New Hampshire and Pittsford, Vermont. Behind me is a BX23 that we'll be using over the course of this spring and summer to show you some of the projects it's capable of doing. So thank you for tagging along and have a good day. One of our first projects in preparation for the garden that we want to put in here is to get rid of some of the brush. And what we're going to do is use the BH backhoe on this BX23 to take out that lilac bush and open up this space to have some more room. So as that short clip showed us, this tractor with its backhoe and loader bucket on it makes pretty quick work out of small to medium shrubs. So if you have a project where you need to clear a little bit of land, this tractor is capable of doing it. Also, it's pretty efficient at it. Thank you for taking the time to watch Kubota's BX tractor remove the stump and brush. Next week, we look forward to making our garden beds with a Land Pride tiller that we will be putting behind the same tractor. If you've developed any questions or would like to know Kubota's current promotions on BX and subcompact tractors, please reach out to either our Plainfield, New Hampshire or Pittsford, Vermont location. Thank you and have a good day.